Hi guys, in today's episode of Taste of the Town, I am in Davie, Florida. We're actually in Pembroke Pines and I'm here at O Ceviche seafood restaurant. It's a Peruvian seafood restaurant and they have absolutely delicious food. Their ceviche is the best ceviche that I've ever had. So if you guys are in the area or live close by, please be sure to visit them, and they have wonderful customer service. So thank you so much to the guys at O Ceviche for allowing me to showcase their restaurant.
We have a lovely family here having a late lunch. So the atmosphere is very cozy. They have a lot of seating. Really nice. And you can also watch the game here. So I'm gonna get some ceviche now. Hello. Hi, I'd like to order some ceviche, seafood ceviche, please.
Okay, what's your name?
Natasha.
Okay. Oh, spicy?
Very spicy.
That's it?
That's it. So here we have Marcus. He is going to prepare a ceviche dish, the one that I just ordered for us.
Hi.
So guys, when you're making ceviche, you need very fresh ingredients, and most importantly, fresh fish is very important. You can't use frozen fish for this. So he's gonna start by adding the fish.
Fresh fish.
Fresh fish.
Definitely. Good.
That's the key word here. Salt. And then some fresh lime juice.
Because I didn't press so much because the oil of the lemons.
Oh.
Okay, it's a little bit more sour.
Okay, so that's a tip. You don't want too much of the oil in there. So some cilantro.
Yeah.
Now goes in the Peruvian pepper.
This is our secret.
Secret?
This is our base, our base.
Oh, it's a base sauce.
Yeah.
So in goes the calamari rings. Some shrimp. Octopus.
Now I need water.
Water.
So do you want the spicy or
Yes, I want it very spicy.
very spicy? It's rocoto. Sa and there we have the ceviche. That's it.
And that's it. So the ceviche is finished. So now he's just gonna plate this with the accompaniments or the sides that usually go with it.
Yeah. They are pulling me.
So he's garnishing with some lettuce leaves and sliced red onions. Piece of sweet potato and corn.
And that's it.
And that's it. That's your ceviche. So this is the ceviche that I always come here to purchase. My husband loves this. The sauce is to die for. And I hope you guys come down and try this. Their information will be in the description box. So make sure come down and check them out. They're located in Florida, not in Trinidad.
so much for coming here, and I hope to see you soon.